How did your mom react?
At college.
How did your mom react?
Mom was like, are you sure you want to do this? I mean, you can't get out of it once you make a commitment. I mean, you are going to have to finish the film from beginning to end, and you can't, stand up and say one morning that, I'm not going to work anymore. So I was like, yeah, I know, but I really want to do this because I think it's more interesting than going to college and wasting my time.
Was that all there was to it? That it was a more interesting alternative to college?
Definitely.
The notion of being a star did not attract you?
No, it didn't. No. Really, it didn't, because I had actually, frankly speaking, if I had known all the, things that came along with being a star, I don't know whether I would have been so happy. I was so happily gone ahead and said that, okay, I want to be a star.
But your mother was a huge star, your grandmother. You must have been aware that it would entail a certain loss of privacy. That you would never be able to go shopping on your own ever again. Not even in London, probably. No?
Thanks.
Yeah, I know, it's a huge price to pay, but still. Having said all that, when did you realize you were a star?
Okay, now we come back to it.
Having got all that out of the way.
Yeah. I can't say for sure, really. I think it was the time when I think it was when Dilwale really... No, actually it was when Bazigar
before released. Dilwale, yeah. Bazigar was released.
Yeah, Bazigar released, and it did really, really well. And I mean, nobody ignored me after that, let me put it that way, and that kind of gave me a clue.
What was it like, given your background, etc., working in the film industry where many people have a different mindset? Was there any adjustment at all?
Not really. I think my boarding school upbringing really helped in that sense. The kind of people that you're with day in and day out are not, I wouldn't say from any particular class or society, and they're from
part of India.
Exactly, they're from all over, and they're all different kinds of people. And I mean, the nuns are very, very particular about manners. So I mean, you couldn't be rude to even the gardener if you had to, or anybody.
So, but did you enjoy it? I mean, what stage did you sort of enjoy being an actress, being in the industry?
I think I enjoyed the people. I really enjoyed meeting new people and working with new people. It took me some time to get used to it, in the sense that I'm pretty reserved that way, especially when I'm working.
You don't have a reputation of being reserved?
No, reserved in the sense that I don't socialize with the people whom I work with.
Is that where the snobbish reputation came from? Slightly standoffish?
Probably, I don't know really. I don't think that I'm a standoffish person, but
I don't think so either.
But I don't believe in being over familiar with people whom I don't know as well. I mean, if I'm not over familiar with you, I don't expect the same attitude from you in return.
I will keep that in mind.
So,
are you a person with strong likes?
Strong likes, yes.
Okay. Strong dislikes?
I think I'm a little more diplomatic about them now, and I'm a little more, not diplomatic, maybe tactful about them now. So,
but I'm
basically, if I don't like a person, or if I don't feel that you're on my wavelength, I'll just, I'll just be polite. I mean, I won't be like,
what you're saying is that you will always be polite,
like
but you will not engage unless you feel there is something to be gained.
Exactly.
Is that fair?
Pretty much.
Okay. Time for a break. Don't go away. Welcome back. I'm talking to Kajol. We're talking about being an actor. I suppose I have to ask about the movies. The two films that many people associate with you are Dilwale and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah.
Were those difficult decisions to make, or immediately, the moment you heard the roles you said?
They were instinctive decisions, really.
And how much of those characters were you, and how much of it was acting?
Dilwale, 90% wasn't me.
Wasn't you, really?
No.
What were the differences?
They were astronomical, I think, because for the simple fact that this was this little homely girl from very cultured family, and I was a complete, she was a lady. I was supposed to play a lady, and I was not a lady at that point. I was just like, I preferred my jeans, I didn't know.
So you were tomboyish.
Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, it was something completely alien to me, really. And the fact that, I have to ask my father permission to go.
Which is not something you...
Hello! So
and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
And Kuch Kuch was completely me. I have no doubts. Yeah, pretty much. I played that tomboy to perfection because I felt like I saw so many